We're at the world's largest event for clinical chemistry, AACC in Anaheim, California, and this is another progress report. We're back on the World Tour of Innovation with another progress report here from Anaheim and the AACC show. And we're talking specifically about a new addition to the ThermoScientific portfolio, Diagnostic Biomarkers. And I'm here with our Senior Clinical Consultant, Stephen Barnes, and you're here to talk about PCT and this really innovative product line that we've just introduced.
PCT has been used in Europe for over 10 years now, and FDA approved for about 2 years in the United States. It's a relatively inexpensive and very simple way to help the practitioner differentiate bacterial sepsis and invasive bacterial infection from non-bacterial causes of ailment.
Now, sepsis causes a lot of death and a lot of costs in healthcare, so this is an important test that is the gold standard in Europe, coming into the US and really expanding sales worldwide.
One of the benefits they're now seeing is that they're using it to help guide antibiotic therapy, whether they start antibiotics or not, and also duration. That has huge financial impact, obviously, on the healthcare organization. Septic shock death rates are up to 50% in that population. So a big number, a big problem. Also, any tool that will aid in early diagnosis, early treatment, a definite benefit for that patient population.
So this ultimately drives really a win-win for both the hospital setting in the healthcare business as well as patients.
Absolutely. Not only early diagnosis and early treatment benefit for the patient, but economic and clinical efficiencies can really be seen for the healthcare organization.
So talk a little bit about the sepsis innovation and the biomarker in terms of comparatively tests that were traditionally used versus this new innovation.
Actually, there is no other test like procalcitonin. The test before that offered some assistance, but maybe wasn't specific to sepsis. It was specific to inflammatory processes and things like this. This is really the only thing that we have right now that is specific to bacterial infection and really also aids in prognosis and diagnosis and risk stratification.
New products and new advances. We just can't cover it all in this segment. Stop back as we bring you more on the World Tour of Innovation.